Hey guys, it's currently 8:57. If you can read it. Yeah. We're gonna have our breakfast and then I think we're gonna go shopping. So yeah. See you soon.
Sweet.
Me and Brody are having crepes for lunch.
And then we'll head off to Kmart.
Yeah, and we're buying a pair of shoes each. I don't know, where are we gonna get them from though?
We'll see.
I think there's like a Tonic there, like a surf shop which has Vans and stuff in it. So yeah, we'll meet you guys probably in there. Bye.
So this is what our lunch is. It's so good.
Hey guys, we're now going into Tonic. It's got a 25 to 50% of everything. Like, it's gonna be so good. Me and Brody are gonna get shoes in here. So yeah, see you in there. So I'm just looking at the shoes. They're more for boys. They're more for boys though, like little kids and stuff.
Wow.
We're in Kmart. We just gonna look at the home stuff.
Homeware.
Yep, the home stuff. Whatever you want to call it. Homeware, home stuff. Whatever, you know. Sorry. I like these rabbits.
This thing.
Oh, he's cute.
I reckon they're cool as.
He's cute for Christmas or something.
Oh no.
You'd be around. Doesn't say what price.
$2 there, wasn't it?
No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, I like that. Can I smell it?
It's really good to smell. Oh, the citronella ones.
Are you actually getting? Oh, I thought you were getting.
Video on this one.
Yeah.
Oh, they're $8. They're $8.
Alright, so I've left Jordan with mum. Just looking at all girly like pots and plants. So I've come over to the fishing stuff to see what rod I need for the ocean, because we're gonna probably go tonight. Probably go for a surf when we get back, and then yeah, after that we'll probably get back, get changed, bring the rods down, have a little fish, and yeah. So I don't know what rod to get. I don't know which rod to get. Lazy.
So you don't want this. This is no good. You right with that? Come on.
Brody,
Put on top of that.
Hey guys, we just finished up at the shopping centre. I got myself a Boost. We're going back to the house now, and then we're gonna put some bedside tables together, and then we're gonna spend the rest of the day at the beach. So we're probably gonna vlog a bit at the beach. So yeah, see you soon. Such a sick pathway. And you think, oh, the beach is right there, like once you get up the hill, but it's still like another, how long, Brody? Like another 3 minutes? No? 10 seconds, my bumhole. So we're just coming through. It's gonna be such a long video. We've done so much today and we've videoed like everything we've done. So, oh my god, there's so much bugs. Bloods, why did I say bugs? They're called bugs. I know, every time we come for a surf, those undies have been there. Yes, we're here! Almost, let's go catch the top of this hill. And you'll pop down at the beach. This isn't a surf beach, this is like a dog beach, but you're allowed to surf anyway. Massey, oh. You're gonna be able to catch a wave or... Oh yeah, that's alright. There's legit no one here, like, cause it's like 3, everyone's going home from school and stuff. Oh shit. It's got some tourists down there. Alright. What?
Oh, that's alright.
Alright. think he's lying. Probably just like some seaweed or something. I'm just going to accept that because right here. Oh yeah, I was watching a video. Sorry I didn't have much footage of us surfing because the waves weren't that good and Mum and Dad weren't out there to video us. They just dropped us off. So please subscribe and hit the thumbs up. And also we'll hopefully be posting a video sometime this week, maybe 3 more times this week. So yeah, see you guys.